Setting up Kubernetes in a virtual machine. You have read about master and worker nodes of Kubernetes, but how can you set up Kubernetes in a single machine? Today we will discuss about Minikube and I will tell you how to set up Minikube in a Ubuntu machine to run a single node Kubernetes cluster. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mayank and I am a software developer. And on this channel, we explore the strategies and tools that are commonly used in DevOps. Subscribe to this channel for related content. So what is Minikube? In simple terms, Minikube means local Kubernetes. This is mainly used by developers which mainly focused on running and developing for Kubernetes. And it needs way less resources to set up. To set up a complete Kubernetes cluster, you need a master node and worker nodes. But using Minikube, you can start developing for Kubernetes in a single node. So let's check out the website of Minikube. So this here is the official Minikube documentation. When you click on this Get Started link, you can see this page where it shows the basic requirement of the virtual machine if you need to install Minikube. These are the resources required to install Minikube. Let's see how we can do it in our system. So here I am using a Ubuntu machine. One of the requirements to install Minikube is that you need to have a container runtime. For our purpose, we will install Docker. This is the official documentation on how to install Docker engine in Ubuntu. I will simply follow the instructions. So this will install Docker engine, Docker CLI, Containerd, BuildX and Compose. Now we know that our container runtime is installed successfully. Now let's see how we can install Minikube. I just need to make sure the curl is there. That's one of the dependencies for installing Minikube. Now I will install the kubectl classic. Then in this command I am downloading the Minikube and then installing it. I will try the command minikube start. Okay, here it is throwing an error and the suggestion is add your user to Docker group using this command. So I will try this command. So this will happen if your user does not have a direct permission to use Docker. Previously, the commands that we were using to run Docker, we were using sudo with it. For Minikube, we need to provide certain permissions to this particular user. Now let's run the minikube start command again. Now it is setting up the driver and other details of Minikube. If you know about control plane, here we can see that it is starting the control plane in the Minikube node, which is usually installed in the master node. It takes some time. Okay, it is done now. Let's check the cluster details. Okay, I will try a couple of more commands. Get the namespace. So these are all the predefined namespaces already present in our cluster, and these were created around 35 seconds ago. So as you can see, this is a fresh cluster that is ready to use. And now you can create your own resources like pods and deployment, and have a mini environment for yourself to try your Kubernetes exercises. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button. And if you have any questions regarding Minikube or how to set up Kubernetes, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you soon.